morning, dear student. In the previous video, we are derived two equation of motion by using a position, velocity, time graph. So next continue the next topic, that is relative velocity. Relative velocity. So we already know that the definition of velocity. What do you mean by velocity? Velocity is defined as, it is the ratio of displacement divided by time taken is known as a velocity. Then what do you mean by relative velocity? So relative velocity is also same as it is the velocity. It is the velocity of a one body with respect to another body is known as relative velocity. It's a velocity of one body with respect to another body. Is known as a relative velocity. Relative velocity can be defined as relative velocity is equal to relative displacement divided by time is called as relative velocity. So first consider a two body moving in a relative velocity means the velocity with respect to one another. So consider here two body moving in a same direction. Two body moves in a same direction. So observe here. It is A moving in a same direction. VA represent the relative velocity of a body A, and another one is B moving with a velocity VB. VB stands for a relative velocity of a body B. Here, the relative velocity of a body with respect of a body A with respect to B is written as the velocity of a body A with respect to B is given by VAB equals to VA minus VB. This is the relative velocity of a body A with respect to B can be written as VA minus VB. VA means relative velocity of A minus relative velocity of body B. Similarly, the velocity of a body B with respect to A is given by VBA is equal to VB minus VA. This is the relative velocity of a body B with respect to A can be written as VB minus VA. Similarly, the body moves in the same direction here. It is in approach in different direction. Approach each other is given by here the body of B is this is B, VB. So but in this state the velocity of a body A with respect to B is given by VAB equals to VA plus VB. VA both are same, VAB and relative velocity of A with respect to B and B with respect to A are both are same in the situation when the two bodies are approach each other. Now let's derive the equation when the two bodies are moving in the same direction. Expression for relative velocity of two body moving in a uniform, moving in the same direction. So let's derive that. What is that formula? We already know that when two bodies move in the same direction, that is A respect to B, VAB equals to VA minus VB, or B with respect to A is VB minus VA. This is the equation, right? So now let's derive these two equations. Consider two body. This is A moving with a velocity VA. After some time, A will move to this place A. This is A. Another body B moving with a velocity VB, relative velocity VB. After some time, after it taken some time, it moves here. This is B, VB. So here at the time t 0, then these two bodies are in rest. After it taken some time to travel this distance, so the body can travel from this position to this. This is called it as a distance. Here x represent the displacement of a body A. Here the body B initially at this stage, and after some time it travels this distance. This is xb. Then what is the distance between here to here? This distance is called as xa minus xb. So observe here, we need this distance, we have to calculate this distance. So final equation, long distance minus short distance, we get this distance. Therefore the long distance here xa and the distance is xb. Xa minus xb is the distance of this remaining distance. So let us derive this. Consider two objects A and B. They are initially zero state because the time is 0. Then VA and VB are the two relative velocity of at a body A and B respectively, and it travels some a distance after a time t. The distances xa and xb are the two relative displacement with respect of a relative bodies A and B respectively. Then we know that what do you mean by velocity? Velocity is equal to the uniform velocity velocity is given by is equal to displacement divided by time. Here displacement means x divided by t. This is v. This is the equation for velocity. But now here the velocity of a body with respect to a, va equals to of a body of a displacement with respect to a is given by x suffix a divided by time is same. Similarly, for a body a is given by va equals xa divided by t. Similarly, for a body b is given by vb equals to xb divided by t. So rearrange this equation, we get xa equals to va times t. va times t. This is called it as equation number 1. Here also we need xb, displacement, relative displacement xb equals to v times t, vb times v. This is called it as equation number 2. So now, what do you mean by relative displacement of AB? So here displacement, relative displacement is equal to relative displacement is given by equal to xa minus xb. xa minus xb. So substitute the xa and xb value by the equation number 1 and 2. We get v times a t minus v b times of t. This is the value of xa and xb. So here relative displacement here. So on the both side, okay. Here in these two terms, t is common. Take it outside. We remaining va minus vb of t. In the left side, remaining thing is relative displacement. So, on dividing by time on both sides, on dividing by time on both sides, we get both sides we get relative displacement divided by time is equal to va minus vb divided by time t into t here. So here, what do you mean by relative displacement divided by time? So it terms as relative velocity. What do you mean by velocity? Displacement by time. So here relative displacement divided by time gives rise to relative velocity. Therefore relative velocity is equal to here t get cancelled, remaining va minus vb. So relative displacement of a here, consider only two objects, that is a with respect to b. Therefore this relative velocity term as vab is equal to va minus vb. This is the required equation when the two bodies are moving in the same direction. Of the relative velocity a with respect to b is given by vab equals to va minus vb. In the similar manner, a body minus VA. This is the required equation when the two bodies move in a same direction with a uniform velocity. And the next one is, what is the graphical representation of a velocity position time graph of a relative velocity? So next thing is the nature of graph for the bodies of uniform motion. Position time graph for two bodies moving with uniform velocity in the same direction. So nature of the graph like this. In the x-axis taken as time t, time along x-axis, and in the y-axis we need to take a position. So here the graph obtained like this. This is a body A, this is a body B. So here this graph shows that, it tells that here a body B is moving behind a body A. So here VA equals to VB. Once again I will repeat, in this graph this shows that velocity of a body A is equal to velocity of a body B. And one more thing is that the body is moving behind the body A, but velocity should be same. This is as a uniform velocity of a two bodies moving in a same direction. So next thing is velocity of a two body moving with non-uniform velocity in the same direction. It has two cases. In non-uniform motion, it has two cases. Case number one, the nature of graph like this. Same thing here. The time along x-axis and position along y-axis. The graph will be like this. This is body A and the body B. It's not a straight, slightly curved. So here, observe here, the displacement of these two body will not be same. Here the displacement will be varying. So this is a body A, this is body B. Here also the body is always moving behind body A. Here VA is greater than VB. VA is greater than VB. Relative velocity of A is greater than relative velocity of body B. This is the non-uniform velocity of a body. And case number 2. Case number 2. Here also take one x-axis time and y-axis position. In this graph, a body A like this and body B like this. This is B, this is A. At a point of time t, time t, the body B is overtake a body B at some time. Body B is overtake a body A. At this time, VB is greater than VA. Relative velocity of a body B is greater than relative velocity of a body A. So here there are two cases. First thing is a body displacement of these two will not be same. Therefore, at this time VA is greater than PB. But in case number 2, the bodies start at initially it moves behind A. At a point of some time, the body B is overtake a body A. Then that a VB means the relative velocity of a body B is greater than relative velocity of a body A. So this is regarding the velocity and relative velocity of a two bodies. This completes our third chapter, motion in a straight line. Thank you.